What are you looking at? Huh? Never. Ah! You really are dead, aren't you? I'm on your lawn, Nevercracker. Huh? What are you gonna do about it? Ah! Never! Snapper, flipper, dipper! Ah! My awesome kite.
Chowder! Chowder! Chowder? Chowder! Whoa. Chowder, what are you doing? Shut up! What? Nevercracker's back from the dead.
No way.
Yeah.
They leave the keys in here. You dare me?
Chowder, you're not listening to me. Nevercracker's haunting me. All right, his blood is on my hands. And now he's coming back for revenge.
You're really crazy right now. Have you noticed that? I think you're just freaking out because he killed a guy today. Life goes on. For you. Try and relax. Be cool like me.
What's going around? I need your help.
Fine. You want my help?
Yeah.
I got 3 words for you. Trick or treat.
Okay, whatever. Let's go.
Hold on.
Chowder, come on.
The haunting is subtle, yet really, really boring. Can I go home now?
Chowder, she'll hear you.
DJ. This is why nobody will sit next to us at lunch. I'll go ding-dong ditch the house, and you'll see. No ghosts!
Chowder, stop, please. Chowder, I'm serious. Chowder, come back. Come back here, please, Chowder. Come on. Chowder, come back.
Oh, no! A bottle!
Chowder, put that down. Come back, please.
Hey, DJ, who am I?
Get off my lawn!
Oh, come on. Don't look back! I look bad!
Bones?
Coming. Don't even think about crawling back here.
Oh.
Boo. Trick or treat.
What?
Good morning, ma'am. You've just witnessed a simulation of what you'll face this evening. Studies show that households that run out of candy are 55% more likely to be TP'd. To help avert this tragedy, I'm here selling Halloween candy for my school, Westbrook Prep.
Good school. I got kicked out of there. Now, what do you want?
Just trying to get a head start on life and secure a successful future.
You want a successful future? When a guy with tattoos comes up to the drive-thru, give him his burger, not your phone number.
Thank you for the advice. I'll be sure to make a note of it. But back to business. Eggs, shaving cream, toilet paper. Without candy, I'm afraid your house is a bullseye with shingles.
Nice try. It's not my house.
Babysitter? Mm-hmm. Okay, let's cut the crap. Maybe the parents you work for left you $40 in emergency money.
Maybe they left me 30.
Maybe you give me 20, I write a receipt for 30, and you pocket 10.
Maybe. And I want 2 extra bags of peanut clusters.
1 bag, and I'll toss in a licorice whip.
You're good.
No detectable movement.
No detectable movement.
Hey, DJ, I brought you some chocolate.
Cover blown?
Oh, no detectable movement.
What are you 2 weirdos up to?
Oh, nothing. Just something in the house across the street just tried to eat us.
Yeah, we've been up all night watching it. We haven't even left this room once. Not even to go to the bathroom. Don't drink that.
Oh, gross. Whatever disease you guys have, I'm sure it's got letters and that they make pills for it.
Z, it's true. There's something evil going on across the street.
That's excellent. I'm really happy for you. Anyway, have you 2, astronomers seen Bones? He left last night unexpectedly, and he never came back.
Never came back.
Bottle.
Of course.
Oh, okay. You know what? I don't have time for this.
Listen, Z. I don't know how to tell you
Your
this.
boyfriend has most likely been eaten alive.
Sherry Clausen. I gotta go. Breakfast. Happy Halloween, losers.